Okay, let's face it. You can't look at data 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It may feel like it, but you can't. So sometimes you want to have a break. For me, that means looking at webisodes on YouTube. I've found quite a few pretty fascinating, but I think YouTube has come up with a better way of measuring people like me who are watching a lot of videos on YouTube. Just recently, Google introduced a new feature on YouTube Analytics, taking a look at time watched. Now, this was included with a change that they made about a year ago. And if you have, I don't know if you remember or not, but I actually did a write-up for allanalytics.com on the changes that Google made. At that time, Google made some significant changes on the user interface, and actually even changed name from Insights to YouTube Analytics. Now, today, fast forward to 2012, what Google has done was include time watch on average as being a metric in terms of how videos are shown through the YouTube universe, and it made it a little bit more clear as a metric within YouTube Analytics. I think this is significant for a couple of reasons. I think the timing is very, very significant. First of all, as I mentioned, looking at webisodes is becoming much more popular. Sci-Fi Channel, for example, just decided to release Battlestar Galactica, Blood and Chrome, which is a prequel of sorts, on YouTube, showing episodes up to the release of the movie, which will be shown on the actual channel. I think that's a big change from the days when cable was starting to develop their own programming in the first place. Secondly, you have some entrepreneurs who are becoming much more savvy at webisodes. The most notable is Ray. She started a program called The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl, kind of a takeoff on The Office, but with a different spin of its own. Very, very unique and very popular online. She just actually became a producer for a show for ABC because of the success of that program. These two examples note that with more capability out there, or more programs out there, that there needs to be better metrics, and Google has provided it. On top of that, YouTube was already the second largest search engine on the web. So combine the second largest search engine, plus on top of that, better programming, just like Ray's and Battlestar Galactica and all the others out there, and what you have is this big gumbo of excitement for analytics, basically. The idea that you can have a better sense of engagement for videos. Even for having click-throughs, that's also another feature as well that's been put in for YouTube Analytics. This would be a great time, and I think what we'll see is maybe some improvements with social analytics just because of what's going on with the video. What do you think? Share your thoughts here on allanalytics.com.